This video walks you through adding user accounts in Vast Online. User accounts allow employees to sign into and use Vast Online. You can assign roles to these user accounts, and these roles determine what functions and menus the user will have access to. To add a user account, click the maintenance icon on the vertical toolbar. Under the security heading, select User Accounts. In the lower right-hand corner of the utility, click Add. The User Account menu will display. Add a username and uncheck the Disabled checkbox. Please note that when signing into Vast Online, you will need to type your username, an @ and your account name. But when adding a new user, do not add the @ and account name to the end of the username. Add a password and confirm the password. If you'd like to have a password generated for you, click Generate Temporary Password in the lower right-hand corner. A temporary password will be assigned to the user account. Write down or copy the password before dismissing the pop-up, because this will be the only time this password will be displayed. When you generate a temporary password, you will no longer be able to manually adjust the password for the user. When they log in with their temporary password, they'll be prompted to change it to a password they'd like to use. Assign the employee name to the user. Either type in a name and click the magnifying glass icon, or click the magnifying glass icon without a name to see a list of employees not currently assigned to users. This assigned employee should be the same record created specifically for that employee in Maintenance, Employee heading, Employees. In the list of non-user employees, click the employee to highlight them. Click Select. Now, type in a search term for a role to assign to the user account. Click the magnifying glass icon. A list of available roles will appear. Roles determine which utilities the user will have access to. Traditionally, a system administrator role is assigned to new users. Click the role you'd like to assign to the user, then click Select. Click the Add button in the Location pane to add locations for the user. Select one or more locations to assign to the user. When a user is assigned a location, they can perform point-of-sale functions for that location. Make sure to select a default location. This will be the location that the user automatically sees when they log in. Different roles can be assigned to different locations, so a user can have access to different functions depending upon which location they're currently switched to. Users can switch their current locations by clicking the Store icon on the horizontal toolbar. Select Save. The user should now be able to log in to Vast Online. They will need to make sure that they add their account name to the end of their username when logging in. If your username was Example and your company was Example Company, then you would sign in with Example at Example Company. Thank you for watching.